Hi, boys and girls. Please put your name at the top of your paper. Today we're going to use our number line to help us add our doubles. So let's start with 2 plus 2. So we start on 2 and we hop 2. So we land on 4. Next, we're going to do 6 plus 6. So put your pencil on 6 and hop 6 spaces. What did you land on? Yep, the answer is 12. Very good. Okay, next we're going to do 10 plus 10. So we put our pencil on 10 and we're going to hop 10 spaces. What did you land on? Yeah, we landed on 20. Very good. Let's do 3 plus 3. So pencils on 3 and hop 3 spaces. And we stopped on 6. Next is 9 plus 9. So put your pencil on 9 and let's count 9 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we stopped on 18. Next we're going to do 8 plus 8. So pencils on 8 and we're going to hop 8 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. So what's our answer? 16. Our next problem is 7 plus 7. Put your pencil on 7 and hop 7 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What did we stop on? 14. Good. Our next problem is going to be 4 plus 4. So pencils on 4 and hop 4 spaces. What did you land on? 8. Our next problem is 0 plus 0. We don't have to do anything because we know that is 0. Next, we're going to do 5 plus 5. So we put our pencil on 5 and we hop 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 10. Very good. All right. Let's turn it over on the back. And we're going to do adding plus 3. So we're going to circle the bigger number and then we're going to add 3. Now I like to use little dots because that helps me count a little bit better, make sure I'm doing it correctly. So I circle 7 and I keep counting. 8, 9, 10. On the next one, I'm going to circle 5 and keep counting. 6, 7, 8. And we just barely did 7 plus 3. It was just a flip-flop. So what is that answer? It's 10. And the next one is circle 6, count on 3. 7, 8, 9. 0 plus 3 is just 3. 3 plus 3 is a doubles. So 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 1, we just go to the next number, which is 4. 3 plus 4, circle 4, keep counting. 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 1, we just go to the next number. So that one is 4. Next one, 7 plus 3, we circle 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 7 plus 3, we just did it. Do you remember what it is? It's 10. 5 plus 3, we're going to circle 5 and keep counting. 6, 7, 8. 1 plus 3, 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. All right, boys and girls. Now I want you to do the remaining problems on your own. So once the video is over, you're going to circle the bigger number and count on by 3. And don't turn it in until you've tried those problems. Good job today.